In this video, I want to show you how to load paper in your Canon imageCLASS LBP122dw printer. So the first step is to open the front compartment. Then you may have these plastic guides over here in this position. You just simply have to push them towards the extremity. Now take your stack of paper, and it's important to not overfill this printer. How do you know that? Well, I know it's hard to show you on camera, but if you look on this gray guide over here, you're going to see a line with 3 arrows. You should never go above that line. So take your stack of paper and simply glide it inside. If your paper is longer, you may have to move this guide this way. Now we're not done. You see, I have stuck my finger on this corner and brought the cover over the paper. Now that you've done this, you're good to go. You're ready to print. Don't forget to extend the paper output tray so that the paper doesn't fall on your table. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, and if you need paper, check my Amazon links down below. You can get some there and you support my channel. See you in the next video.